And now for our high school's most admired alum.
Get up there.
Shut up. This is so embarrassing. Guys, don't make a scene.
Oh, please, you love a scene.
There's no way it's me. Is that good acting?
That's why it's you.
You know her. You love her. You wish you could be her.
Ruh-roh.
I told her not to go up there.
What are you doing here?
It's Anna Gomez!
Who?
Our first gagillionaire.
Gagilia what?
With AT&T Fiber, Anna's got the fastest internet with hyper gig speeds. So her family has crazy fast gaming and they stream movies in 8K.
I watch so many movies.
Yeah! Give it up for Anna.
I had no idea that we went to the same high school.
We have a lot in common.
Please get off my stage.
Okay.
Okay.
Live like a gagillionaire.
Who were those women?
Get the fastest internet with AT&T Fiber, now with speeds up to 5 gigs. Limited availability.